I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need admin access and a registry or system restore snapshot before you begin. Once ready, open Task Manager via Ctrl+Shift+ESC. This is your control point. Locate Windows Explorer in Processes, select it, and click End Task. This stops the visible desktop and taskbar immediately, so don't be alarmed, you're pausing the shell. Make sure to keep Task Manager open or note how you'll relaunch commands. The next steps change system behavior while Explorer is halted. With Explorer stopped, run regedit as administrator using Win+R. This lets you modify the user shell policy. Navigate to hkcu/Microsoft/Windows/current version/policies/Explorer. If the Explorer key doesn't exist, create it. Add or edit the word value no tray items display and set it to 1 to hide system tray icons, or use no shell to prevent the taskbar entirely. Be cautious. Once set, changes are saved to the registry. They take effect when the shell. Restart the shell by using Task Manager. File, Run New Task, type Explorer, EXE and press Enter. Observe whether the taskbar remains gone. If it returns, make sure your registry entries are in the correct hive and not overridden by group policy or a local HKLM setting. If the desktop fails to load or behavior is unstable, immediately restore the registry backup or boot to recovery and run system restore. One key troubleshooting tip. Check for corporate policies or third-party shell replacements that can override these changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.